Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download your LinkedIn profile as PDF. And this is quite simple, but first I need to tell you something, because on the LinkedIn app this is not possible. So what we need to do is close this app and go to Safari, click on the plus, and please search for LinkedIn. Let's go. Then we arrived here on my LinkedIn profile, and then you need to do the following step. Please, from here, click on this icon right there, click on the three dots, and then make sure that you click on Request Desktop Website. Now he's reloading everything, and right now, if you can see, we are on a desktop website option. And from now, we want to go to our profile, just like this, and now we click on the three dots, and then we click Save to PDF. Alright, from now we clicked on Save to PDF, and this is now exactly our profile as a PDF. And from now, if you click on this icon just right here, scroll down, and we do Save to Files, we can save our PDF as a file just right here, and now you have your own profile as a PDF. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.